With hundreds of glass enclosures installed over the years, an amazing opportunity has opened up. This opportunity is simple: converting your previous client list into a new stream of high-margin revenue through shower door restoration. Many of those shower doors are no longer attractive, and it's impractical to replace them. We could restore that glass to a beyond new finish, then seal it with our coating to ensure its lasting brilliance. This process eliminates mismeasuring and damage during delivery or installation. This video demonstrates the restoration and treatment of a large glass enclosure. Let's establish the key points. The average profit for a field application is going to be dramatically higher than the typical glazing job. This particular unit has over 50 square feet of glass. The total price for restoration and protection of this older glass unit was around $550. Crucially, the client was excited to discover the cost of restoring was around 80% less than replacement. The job was also completed in just 73 minutes. The total cost of labor, coating, and supplies was around $125. This gives a gross profit margin of 77%. Your profit per person hour is nearly $360. Research shows that it's about 5 times more profitable than the average glazing project. Selling to your existing customer base is simple. We provide an effective digital sales tool that gives your team a simple way to present the benefits of restoration and treatment. Don't let profit slip away. Visit dfisolutions.com to learn how you can tap into your customers' goldmine today.